Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen clock on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to make some changes to the clock, we need to open the settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper, and then we need to customize our lock screen. So we can press customize over here. And now here we need to tap on our clock, and we can change the font of our clock. We can change the thickness of the font as well. And we can change the color to something else. You can also go far right in order to find the grid with different colors that you can choose from. And then we also can switch to spectrum and sliders as well. So if you want to choose something more specific by using the hex color code or RGB code, then of course you can do that over here. You can also use the color picker by tapping on this drop thing over here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, you can press done over here in the top right corner, and there we go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!